Hello everyone, good morning. So today we will discuss about Python strings. Okay, Python strings. So what is a Python strings? Strings in Pythons are surrounded by either single or double quote. Okay, so anything that enclosed with a single or double quote, we called it string. So example, we will declare a variable. Okay, variable A is equal to single. Then we have the value. Okay, then we will print the value of A. So we are using print to show the output. Okay, run, then start debugging. Okay, we have the result. As you can see, we have the value. So anything enclosed with a single quote is a string. And then if we use or declare another variable, for example, we have B double quote James, then print variable B, we have the same output. So print the value, so this is the value of A, then James, the value of B. Okay, so that is Python strings. So we have this problem number 1, declare a variable that use double and single quote. Okay, one variable is double and one is single, then print their values. Okay, so our next topic is multi-line strings. So what is a multi-line strings? Multi-line strings, you can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using 3 double quotes. So 1, 2, 3. So it looks like this one. So 3 double quotes. So example, we have a variable paragraph. So equal to 1, 2, 3. So inside of our paragraph, we can put some text here. Okay, some may put anything here. Then can we add more text here? Okay, that will do more on our program. Then okay, we will check if it works. So we will print the variable paragraph. So run, start debugging. Okay, some text here. Okay, some may put anything here. When we add more text here, okay, that will do more on our program. So this is an example of our multi-line strings. Okay, so can we set another example? Okay, so we will declare a variable sentence is equal to triple double quote. So example, we will discuss this multi-line. Comments. So this is the example. Okay, so we will print the variable sentence. So print variable sentence. Then let's run program. So this is the paragraph. Then we will discuss is multiline comment. So this is the example. So it corrects. Okay. Then next is problem number 2. Problem number 2, declare a variable that uses multiline strings. 5 points. Okay, don't forget to screenshot this because you will upload this screenshot on your Google Classroom. Okay. Next topic. We have looping through a string. Okay. Since strings are arrays, we can loop through the characters in a string with a for loop. For example, for x in, okay, we have banana, then colon, print the variable x. So as was said earlier, strings are arrays, so we can loop this string banana. So run, start debugging. So the output is look like this. So BANANA. So banana. Okay, next another example. So we will declare a variable color is equal to red. So I forgot the single or the string quotation. Then for variable C in, we have the variable color. So we have for C in color, okay, colon, then print variable C. Run the program. Okay, we have this output banana red, so we can change to banana space yellow. Run. Okay, banana space yellow. Okay, if you have questions, just comment below. So for problem number 3, use input to connect with the user. Ask the user to input something, then use for loop to print the output. So this is 10 points. So you will ask the user to enter the value of your variable, then you will print it using the for loop. Okay, next. Next is string length. Okay, string length. To get the length of a string, use len function. Okay, so we will get the number of characters in our string, so using length function or len function. So example, we have name is equal to double quote pages read, then we will print the len, open close parenthesis, inside of that is our variable name, then run the program. So James read, so we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including the space, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because space is also a character, so we will count that. So James space read is a 10, so the length of 10. So another example, we have items is equal to, okay, so example, bond, paper. Okay, so we will print items. So we will guess the output. So example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 also. So let's check. Start debugging. Sorry, we didn't put the len function. That's why the bond paper appear in the output. Okay, so we will put len, open close parenthesis, then run the program. So you have 10, 10. Okay, that's it. So we have this problem number 4. Use input to connect with the user. Ask the user to input something. Then use len function to get the number of characters. Then display the output. So you have 10 points for this program. Okay, next. We have check string. Okay, to check if a certain phrase or character is present in a string, we can use the keyword in or in. So example, we have text is equal to hello babe, how are you today? Okay, then print. Okay, so example, we have to check if there is a word how in variable text. Okay, run this program. So start debugging. So we have the result boolean, which means it is true that the word how is inside of our variable text. So if we change this one into honey, so we will check if honey is inside or in the variable text. So the boolean result would be true. If not, would be the output. The output would be false. Okay, so the output is false or boolean false. So in another example, we have okay. So we can set the variable message is equal to how are you today? May I see you? Are you with Jenny? Okay, so we will check we will declare the variable bar underscore check. So this is the variable to check is equal to Jenny. So we will print the variable message in, so message, okay, we will check the variable underscore check if it is inside in the variable message. Okay, so run the program. So the first one, because honey is not inside of our variable text, so then we have this boolean false. Then another variable message, how are you today, may I see you, how are you with Jenny. So a variable to check is Jenny, so bar check in message. So is Jenny inside of our variable message? Okay, yes, so it was true. Okay, so problem number 5, declare a variable that the value is string, then use in keyword to check if the word is inside that string. So variable to check is word. So you can create a variable with any value inside of it, then you will check is world if it is inside of that string. So 5 points. Okay, next topic, we have Python modify string. Okay, Python modify string, we have uppercase. Okay, Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use in a string. So example of that is uppercase. So example, A is equal to double quote, this is me. So as you can see, this is all lowercase letters. So we will do is to make that values or value of the A will become uppercase. So print the variable A dot upper, then run the program, upper function, then run the program. So this is me in all capital letters or caps lock. Then another example, the example name is equal to Mary. Okay, Mary Jane Velasco. So we need to make all letters into capital letters. So we can also use name is equal to name dot upper, then print name. So let's see if this program is correct. Run, start debug. Okay, so it follows, so it reads, so the program is correct. So we have this called overriding. So we override the variable name into another variable name, but we convert the name into uppercase letters. Okay, for this problem, we have problem number 6. Create a program that will ask the user what's the best thing happen to you. So you will follow this one. So you will ask the user what's the best thing happen to you, then print the input in all capital letters. So this is 10 points. Then next topic is lowercase. So Python modifies string into lowercase. Okay, so same example, we have a is equal to, okay, we can use single, so we can call it, this is a variable a. Okay, print a. Okay, sorry, we will do this this is a variable a. So we will print this one into lowercase letters. So print a, then lower function, then run the program. Okay, so all letters in lowercase. So this is a variable a. So this is the output. Another example, we have b. Okay, in all capital letters. So we need to declare another variable. B is equal to b dot lower function to make all the letters into lowercase. Okay, so we need to print variable b. Okay, run the program. So this is a variable a in all capital letters. Okay, so the program is correct. Okay, for this problem, we have this problem number 7. Problem 7, create a program that will ask the user, what pushed you to become an IT professional? Then print the input in all lowercase letters. So this is 10 points. Print the input in all lowercase letters. So you can create your own example. Okay, next we have replace string. Okay, replace string. From the word replace, we will change something in our string. So example, we have x is equal to hello Mike. Then print variable x will be replaced. So x dot replace. So inside of it we have the character h will change into character hello. So we can set m. Okay, x dot replace h into m. So this one h, the first character, will change into m. So we'll check, run, start debugging. Okay, so instead of hello Mike, we print hello Mike. So because we changed the variable, or sorry, the character h into character m. So another example, we have to declare a variable z is equal to we have setter then spiker. Okay, so we will put variable z is equal to z dot replace Okay, so we will replace S into variable or character Z. So run the program. Sorry, we don't have the print, so we need to print the variable C, this one. Run the program. Okay, so S converted into Z, so all S, capital S, become Z, so Zetter Spiker. Okay, all S converted into character Z. So the problem number 8, create a program similar to the example but different values. So you can create your own. So that is the answer to this problem. Then we have next topic, split string. So we need to split the string. For example, character H or variable H is equal to this is like this, comma, is, comma, a, that's. Okay. Then we will split all string based on comma. So I is equal to H split, so H dot split, open close, double quote, comma. So we will split the string by comma, then print variable I. So run the program. So as you can see, we form an array. So this is a test. So that is split, using split. We converted the string into an array form. Okay. Another example, variable A is equal to what world we have now. Then we will split the variable A. So example, B is equal to A dot split using comma, then print the variable B. Then we will run the program. So what world, comma, we have comma now. Okay, that's it. So problem number 9. Create a program similar to the example but different values. Okay, that is 5 points. Okay, so next topic is Python string format. Okay, so we have this method. Python string format, so example, txt is equal to double quote, example 4 only, then we use curly braces, so price colon dot 2f, then okay, dollars. After that, print txt, the variable txt dot format, okay, price is equal to 25. Okay, run the program, start debugging. For only $25, so the value of price is equal to 25. But we can set the value of 25 into a variable. So example, we will set value is equal to 100, then price is equal to value. So run the program. Okay, so we generated the same output for only $100. So price is equal to value. Okay, so we will proceed to the problem for number 10. Create a program similar to the example but different values, so that is 5 points. Okay, next topic, Python string replace function or replace method. Okay, example, here this message is equal to okay, I like to play Mobile Legends. Then you have this variable x is equal to message dot replace. Okay, so instead of like, we will replace it into love. So I love to play Mobile Legends. So print variable x. So message, I like to play Mobile Legends, message that replace like into love. So run the program. So I love to play Mobile Legends. If we don't have this replace, then we will print message. So the output is I like to play Mobile Legends. But because we exchange like or replace like into love, then put the variable x, the output is I love to play Mobile Legends. So that is the use of replace method. For the problem number 11, create a program similar to the example but different values. So that is 5 points. Okay, next we have Python string count function method. Okay, so we will count the strings by using count method. So example, variable, we declare a is equal to I love is gain. Okay, then we have this variable b is equal to a dot count okay this, so we will count how many this of word or words in this variable a. So as we can see, this is 1, so the output must be 1. So print variable b, so run the program. So 1, so correct, because we only see that inside of variable a we have only one this word. Okay, so can we set another example? So I love this game, more games to play. So I need to install more. So we will count how many I in this variable a. So 1i, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. So expected output must be 4. So run the program, start debugging. Then we have this output 4. Because all in all we have 4i. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So another example, if we count more, the word more, so we have 2, 1, 2. So the output must be 2. Okay, that's it, correct. Then for the problem number 12, create a program similar to this example but different values. So that is 5 points. So don't forget to screenshot these questions or problem, because you will upload this in your Google Classroom. Then upload your files in the link that were provided in your Google Classroom. Okay, that's all. Thank you.